Okay, today I got a quick video for you. We're just going to replace this passenger seat with the included rear seat cowl for the Kawasaki Z500. So the first thing we have to do is take our motorcycle key, turn that. That'll allow us to take off the passenger seat. The only tools we'll need for this job are a 10mm wrench and a 10mm socket. And you should have came with this bag here with everything you need. So we'll take this rubber piece here, slip it onto this. And this is going to go right up on here like that. So if you take this here, thread it through there. And I'm just going to get it started with my hands. Take my wrench. Tighten it up. Now I'll take the rear seat cowl, and this piece here is going to slip on over that. So slip that on over, pop it down. I think it looks better with a bike, especially since I won't be riding with a passenger on this much. So that's all there is to it for the rear seat cowl on the 2024-2025 Kawasaki Z500. Thanks for watching. See you soon.